Today, let's compare Verizon's 5G ultra wideband and T-Mobile's 5G network to find the better choice. Both networks offer advantages, but they focus on different aspects of performance and coverage. Starting with Verizon 5G ultra wideband, it uses wave technology, which delivers extremely high speeds, up to 4 gigabytes in ideal conditions. This makes Verizon an excellent choice for activities that require a lot of bandwidth, such as gaming or streaming high-definition content. However, there's a limitation. This ultra-fast network is only selected in open areas, right? So only available in these kind of areas, mainly large cities and certain high-traffic locations like stadiums. Outside of these areas, you're likely to experience standard 5G or even LTE speeds. On the other hand, T-Mobile's 5G network has a clear advantage in terms of nationwide coverage. T-Mobile uses a mix of low-band, mid-band, and high-band frequencies, allowing it to provide solid speeds, typically around 300 megabits per second, across a wide range of location. Their ultra-capacity 5G is widely available and covers urban, suburban, and rural areas. While it may not be as fast as Verizon's wave in specific sports, T-Mobile offers a more consistent performance across the country. In terms of cost, Verizon tends to be more expensive, especially for plans that include ultra-wideband, while T-Mobile generally offer affordable option with broader overall coverage. So which one is better? If you're looking for speed in specific areas and you live near Verizon's ultra-wideband coverage, then Verizon might be your choice. But if you want a more reliable coverage across a larger area for a better price, then T-Mobile is the way to go. All it comes down to is what you value more, speed or coverage.